Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the app limit in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on the option screen time. Then here you can see the option app limits. Tap on this one. So you can see set daily limits for apps categories you want to manage. Limits reset every day at midnight. If you want to set the app limit, turn on this option. So here you can see the application that you want to set. So here I already set the app limit for the WhatsApp Messenger. If you tap on this edit list, and from the list of application you can select the application that you want to set to the app limit. Okay, so simply here I select the app limit for the from the social folder for the WhatsApp. Tap on add. So here you can change the time. Now here I am going to set app limit for the 1 hour. Okay, now for per day we can use the WhatsApp Messenger only for 1 hours if you set the app limit like this. So simply in this way you can set the app limit in this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.